Hello, but hello guys. Today we're going to be ranking Fortnite collabs on the tier list. Okay, first I think we gotta rate the Joker who asked. I don't really say he's one of the best. I don't really like him that much. I'll say he's decent. Okay, next, Free Guy. I think Free Guy. Yikes, yeah. Okay. 4. He should be great work. They did do great work. She-Hulk. This skin is actually pretty clean, if you ask me, and it can turn into She-Hulk. I would say it's pretty good. Okay. Groot. Groot's the GOAT. Amazing. Ooh. This one is hard. Storm. Storm is a good skin, but I wouldn't really use her from all the Fortnite skins I have. It's decent. This is the same, it's just the other style. Okay, Doctor Doom. He is a pretty good skin, so I'll put it in great work. Mystique. You have the ability, but above average. Okay, Tony Stark. He could have been better. Okay, Iron Man. Iron Man's the GOAT. Iron Man's the GOAT. Wolverine skin. It's fine. Yeah, this is decent. Okay, Venom. I'll put it above average. It's pretty good. Okay, what is this? This ain't even a question. Nobody uses it. Black Panther, it's fine. Okay, if we're talking about her, then we're gonna go above average. I'm a pretty big fan, kind of a fan, but they didn't really put that much hard work on the skin. So, okay, Silver Surfer. It's just one color. You can just do that to Super skin and have a better version. So it could have been better. I always wanted this skin, but I'm not gonna ever buy it. So I would say it's amazing. Okay, I don't even know who this lady is. I never did. We'll just rate the skin. It's kind of good. Same, don't know the person. Ghost Rider. I think when I watched a movie, I think the movie was pretty good, and the skin is pretty good too. But okay, Daredevil. I think it's the same as Silver Surfer. Okay, Captain America. He's amazing. Don't get me wrong. He is one of my favorite heroes. Bro, what is this? I don't even really like her, so that character. Okay, next is this Black Widow. This Black Widow is keener, so great work. Ant-Man. Ant-Man's pretty good. Ant-Man is pretty good. Ant-Man's pretty good. Okay, Blade. I don't think that much people watch him, so yikes. Joker. He is a joke. And he is a funny skin, and he is a good skin. Okay. Poison Ivy. Poison Ivy's a keen skin. The Flash. He's pretty good. Okay, next up we got my crush, Ariana Grande. You already know where it's going. Best collab. Okay, Harley Quinn. Keen skin, great work. Okay, what did he say? What did he say? It has to go there. Raven. Not that keen, in my opinion. Aquaman. Amazing. Black Manta. It works. It does work. Batman, we already know he's the GOAT. Okay, this version of Batman is just ugly. I don't like that version. Catwoman, not a big fan, but I will put it marked by Batman. If you know, you know. Okay, next is Mando. I love Star Wars. Star Wars is my favorite movie, but I'm not really into the show Mandalorian. I like Star Wars, so let's put him in amazing. Stormtrooper. I did say I like Star Wars, but not Stormtroopers in Fortnite. Okay. Okay, I don't even know this character. I haven't watched all the movies about most of them. Rey, not a big fan. He's one of my favorite characters. Kylo Ren, bruh. He works. The God of Thunder. Or whatever his name is. Great work, Fortnite. Okay, next up. Okay, Spider-Man is really one of my favorite characters in all of Fortnite. I mean, one of my favorite movies. My favorite movies is Star Wars and Spider-Man. Okay, here we go. Spider-Man. Same. He is best collabs. Okay, next up, we got Kid Roy. Kid Roy, I like him. He's a good singer. Okay. Chun-Yi. I don't know what all the fuss is about, all the sus stuff, so we're just gonna put her down here. Next up, we got Goku. We all know where Goku goes. Good skin, just not the best. Okay, everybody. Next we have Naruto. Naruto is literally one of my favorite TV shows, so right there. Okay, Aoye. I'm just gonna say this. This is one of the best half robot skins you ever got in Fortnite, and one of the best collab skins. And Aoye, I love Aoye as a YouTuber, so we're gonna put him there. Okay, if you want a part 2, like and subscribe. We're obviously gonna put Luke Skywalker up here. Luke, I am the father. Okay, that was cringe. You gotta admit, that's straight up cringe. 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 Okay, one more collab. And then the video's over. Okay. Next we got Spider-Gwen. I also think Spider-Gwen is one of the cutest Marvel characters and Spider-Man characters, so we gotta put her up there. Okay, that's the end of the tier list. If you want a second part, yeah, you can subscribe, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Peace!